Students, I am continuing our previous video. If the total number of elements in the matrix is 15, the possible set of order of matrix is 1 by 15, 3 by 5, 5 by 3, 15 by 1. See here, so the logic is here. How many ways we can write this 15 as product of two numbers? That much of matrices only we can find here. So in this one 15 you can write as 1 into 15. That means 1 by 15 order matrix 1 matrix. Because of this product gives 15 only. So next 3 into 5 that is equal to 15. 3 into 5 15 means we can write one more matrix with order 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 matrix is second matrix. Next 15 you can write as 5 by 3 also reverse. That means 5 rows 3 columns. That is 5 by 3 matrix. So this product of elements gives 15. So that is equal to 15. If you observe reverse procedure. Next 15 by 1 also we can write 15 rows 1 column. So 15 into 1 total entries in this matrix we can find 15 only. So that is equal to 15. So this is the way to write the number of matrices if you know the total number of elements. For suppose if you take 6 elements, sorry, 6 elements if you go for, the number of elements in the matrix is 6, then the possible set of order of matrices is, if you want to find out, 6 elements, let the elements be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2 by 3 matrix, total elements is 6. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 by 2. Okay. Next one. How many possibilities for 6? First possibilities of 6, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 6, 6 by 1. These are only the possibilities. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 by 6 matrix. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is only one row. This is only one column. 6 by 1. So 6 by 1 means 6 rows are there. Only one column. Here 1 by 6 means 6 columns are there, only one row. So you write 1 by 6. So if you want to find out the number of matrices with the element, with number of elements is 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 possibilities. So one matrix order is 2 by 3, another matrix is 3 by 2, another matrix 1 by 6, another matrix is 6 by 1. So this is one of the important point in the matrices. Next one. Clear Nana, all of you? Next one. Example, if the total number of matrices are of order 2 by 2 can be constructed by the digits 1, 2 with repetitions are allowed is, see the question very easy, little bit twist is there. If the total number of matrices are of order 2 by 2 can be constructed by the digits 1, 2 when repetitions are allowed. That means we have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix by using the elements 1, 2 we can repeat. So 2 by 2 matrix means if you won't repeat the digits 1, 2 then it is not possible, because 2 by 2 matrix we need minimum 4 elements. Okay, 4 entries we need. So with the 2 entries we cannot fill. So that's why they given with repetitions are allowed. See here, I just want to introduce one concept here. Basic counting principle. What is that? Basic counting principle. Basic counting principle. According to basic counting principle, what it says? If there are m possibilities, m ways to complete one thing, and n ways to complete second thing, that is first thing, this is second thing, then there are m into n, don't call this is m by n, I am saying multiplication, m into n ways to complete this both. Complete this both. That means if you want to complete the work, there are 2 subworks are there. For that subwork m possibilities, another subwork n possibilities, then these two subworks completed only, the total work is completed. Then the total number of ways to complete the total work is m into n. For suppose, okay, one example you take. There are 2 shirts are there, 3 pants are there. How many ways we can wear the dress? With the 2 shirts and 3 pants. So let us consider shirts are S1, S2, pants are P1, P2, P3. Okay. So without analyze, just I give the answer 6. So how you get 6? I will say maybe S1 P1 is one pair, S1 P2 is another pair, S1 P3 is another pair. So 3 possibilities. Next with S2 P1 shirt 2 and pant 1, or shirt 2 pant 2, or shirt 2 pant 3. Total how many ways? 3 possibilities. Plus 3 possibilities. Total 6 possibilities. What I give the answer for this one? 2 3s are 6. So to complete the subwork, that means to complete the total work, if there are possible subworks are there, so first you complete the possible subworks in different ways and multiply them. That gives the total answer for total work. So this is called the basic counting principle. See here with that basic counting principle, so we have to arrange a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, for this 2 by 2 matrix we have 4 entries are there. Okay, 4 entries are there. So this is the total work. To complete this total work, we have 4 subworks are there. So to complete, if you complete this this blank place, our work is not completed. We have to complete this one, this one, this one, this one all together. Then only this total work is completed. This is one subwork, second subwork, third subwork, fourth subwork. We have to divide this work into 4 parts. First, you are going to complete the first part. So with 2 digits, how many ways we can fill this one? Either 1 or 2. Yes, either with 1 or 2. How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. So for first subwork we have 2 possibilities. Next, go to second subwork. Repetitions are allowed. If you use one number here, same number you can use here also. So for the second blank place also we have 2 possibilities. So go for 2. Next, third subwork, third blank place, we have again 2 possibilities. For fourth one also again 2 possibilities. Here this total work is completed only by completing all these subworks. Okay, for this one 2 ways, for this one 2 ways, for this one 2 ways, for this one 2 ways. So then we have to apply the basic counting principle. Okay, so for this one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is only I have written here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal total 16. So number of the matrices, different matrices are nothing but 16 matrices with the 2 by 2 order. This is the way to find out the work. Okay, this is the best example for this counting principle. Based on this counting principle, there are not only 2 subworks. We can take any countable subworks. Here 4 subworks are there. If from some question 6 subworks maybe you have. Okay, so next question, next example. The total number of matrices of order 2 by 2. Here repetitions, here without repetitions, of order 2 by 2 by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when repetitions are not allowed. Here also same 2 by 2 matrix, so we need to fill 4 entries here. But here with 4 entries, they given 6 digits. With these 6 digits, we have to use any 4 only. Okay. So, but here what they given? Repetitions are allowed. No, not allowed. Repetitions are not allowed means for the first blank place, same apply. So, we have to complete these 4 subworks. Then only this total work is completed. So take separately these 4 subworks results and multiply them. That gives the total work result. Okay. See here, one for the first blank place. Let us consider this is only the first possibility. So we can take this one also first possibility. No problem. Anyone that gives same answer. So why should we take always this is only the first blank place? We can take anyone. Okay. So for this first blank place here we can use all these any one of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 we have to fill only one here. Okay, so how many possibilities? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So 6 possibilities are there. So repetitions are not allowed. So any one of them is filled here. that for suppose 4 is filled here. Okay, then remaining how many are there? 3 plus 2, 5 are there. With these 5 digits, we can fill this blank place in how many ways? 5 ways. So this is 6 for this one, this is 5 for this one. Okay, after 5, for suppose here 4 is filled, here for suppose 2 is filled. Next, how many possibilities for this one? So here one number filled, here one number filled, 2 numbers filled. So we have remaining only 4 numbers are there. So with 4 numbers, we have 4 possibilities are there. Let us consider here for suppose 3 is there. 3 we fill with 3. So here 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers are filled. Then how many numbers we have left over? Only 3. So repetitions are not allowed means here what numbers we are going to fill. So those numbers should not repeat. So after these 3 we have only 3 elements. Okay, with these 3 digits, we one blank place. How many ways we can fill? Only 3 ways. Okay, so for this one 6 ways, for this one 5 ways, for this one 4 ways, for this one 3 ways. So total work, how many ways we can complete the total work means multiply them. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So this multiplication gives 360. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. In next video, we will continue the remaining concepts.